Right, so if you want to earn some money from Shutterstock by selling your designs and you don't know what to upload and which design should you upload and what people are searching the most on Shutterstock, so I'm going to show you how you can sort out all these things. So if you are new on Shutterstock and you want to earn some money, definitely you can earn some money, but I tell you what, it is not like there will be a rain of dollars. Yes, you can earn, but you have to be consistent. So before further ado, let's get started. And very first, you need to go to shutterstock.com, and then you have to go all the way down to the bottom, and right over there you can see popular searches. Click and open it. So here you can find so many different keywords and you can use them in your design from the list, which is a big list. You can scroll down to see it, and there are a lot of keywords for photos, videos and music. But now let's come on to the photos. At number 1 you can see the background, and this is the most searching keyword, and also you can see so many other keywords in the list like backtrend, technology, food, abstract, business, office. So let me show you how you can cover some top keywords in your design. For instance, if you want to create a background which is about technology, then your title will be like a creative technology abstract pattern background design for tech business. So let me show you how many keywords we have covered, like technology, abstract, pattern, background and business. After that, you need to have 50 keywords for your design. So how you can find these keywords? This is a tool website which is free, and the good thing is you can use it without login. The website name is my keyworder. Here you can search 50 keywords for your design. For instance, if you are looking for keywords about your design, like type your technology background, find the keywords, and here you can see top 50 keywords has been selected, and all you need to export and copy these keywords. Export selected keywords, then copy to clipboard. That's it. So in the next video I'm gonna show you how you can design a background for Shutterstock. So stay tuned and thanks for watching.